This is neat. This is a fairy light treehouse. Plant, grow, and play. Create your own magical fairy light treehouse.
Okay, hold 1 moment.
And we got glow in the dark paracord wristband kit. Here's a knit and loom kit.
I mean, they said we had it too, and we didn't.
Here's plush, creative, and I don't know what that says. Plush craft. There's some up there too. Here's a pizza garden. Grow your own pizza toppings. There's a rock painting kit.
I have dark reds, I have whites. As far as peach, okay. No. Okay, let me have that number and then I will go check about the whole range and what color I have. It's 106.
This is Juicy Couture, Make It Real bracelet sets. They are only $9.99. Look at all the stuff they have in there. Wow, look at that one. Aroma shimmer oils. There's a wooden charm tassel kit with all kinds of stuff in it. There's a true love kit. That would be good for Valentine's Day. Spiral. Birdhouse. There's a unicorn paint set and a Powerball color zone set. Here's a mess-free scented light up stamper, and it's by Crayola, and Crayola is 30% off right now. There's an art case baby shark, 30% off. Crayola glitter. Scrabble pet grooming truck, and safari. This one is confetti party. We got a paint pour art set, a spin art set, stuff down there. They have art sets. These are $24.99. And here's a art tote for $14.99. Family craft time tie-dye craft kit. And they have a tote pouch kit and a clay garland kit. Marbled paper. Nail art. Fuzzy stick sculpture set. And this is 30% off right now. This is a kaleidoscope kit. That was hard for me to say. Here's a journal kit and a comic book kit.